Hello, in this video we will show you how to create appraisal plans. The employee appraisal module will allow you to keep track of the evaluation of your employees. You will be able to automatically generate meetings and also automatically send forms to other employees in order to gather their opinions. To do so, let's go in the human resource settings and take the option Organize Employees Periodic Evaluation and apply. This will install the appraisal menu in the human resource. Back to the human resource, we can see that we have a new menu here called Appraisal. Before to do anything here, we will need to create appraisal plans. To do so, we have to go in the configuration menu and click on appraisal plans. Let's open first the by default manager appraisal plan. Here you can see the name of the plan, and here you have the first appraisal in months. This represents the time in months that the system will take into account to launch the first appraisal plan starting the day of the attribution of this plan to an employee on its employee form. Here it's 3 months. And the second field is the number of months between each following appraisal that will happen to this employee. To summarize, after the attribution of this appraisal plan to an employee, after 3 months he will receive his first appraisal, and then he will receive the other one every 6 months. And it will automatically send to the employee a self-appraisal form in order to evaluate himself. Now let's create a new appraisal plan for the consultant. Let's call it plan for the consultant. Let's say that this appraisal plan will start 9 months after the attribution on an employee, and then it will be repeated every 6 months. Here we will set up the phases of this appraisal. First, we will ask the opinion of the subordinate of an employee, mostly his colleague or people below him in the hierarchy of the company. This we will call this phase send to subordinate, and this is represented by the action bottom-up appraisal. Select one of the default form or create a new one specific to these phases. Then you will ask the opinion of the people above this employee in the hierarchy of the department. So let's call it send to manager. And this is represented by the action top-down appraisal request. And again, select one form. To finish, we will do a self-appraisal of the employee, meaning that he will give his own opinion about his work. It can be a specific one. And then we will finish this appraisal with a final interview step. It will be done with the manager of this employee. That will be this action will actually create a meeting with the manager. You have to set a form, and here you can this time set this option that actually will oblige the other phases to be completed before to go to this last phases. Click on Wait Previous Phases and save it.